Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to find user ID in Discord. So first of all, launch open Discord application. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to find the user ID, first of all, you'll have to turn on the developer mode. So for that, what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to see the account settings, billing settings, app settings, etc. In the section for app settings, at last you'll be able to find this option for advanced. What you have to do is tap on it. Now in the option for advanced, make sure the developer mode is toggled on. Now once it is toggled on, you'll be able to find the user ID. For that, what you have to do is simply go back. Now if you want to find the user ID, what you have to do is simply go to the profile of the person that you want to find the user ID of. For that, you can simply tap on their profile. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to chat with them. Now tap on their name that you can see at the top. Now once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on this option profile that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see their profile. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options like copy username, copy user ID, apps, ignore, block, etc. Tap on the option copy user ID that you can see at second. Now you can see over here the user ID has been copied. This is basically the user ID of that particular person. So like this, you'll be able to see the user ID. So that is how you find Discord user ID. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.